Today, I'm going to share the many benefits of ginger tea. Yep, that's right. I drink ginger tea every day for 10 days, and I'm sharing my personal results. Stick around. Hey, I'm Timotha Lanae, indie artist, health enthusiast, and a mom. And on this channel, I share me and my family's journey to better health via detox, alkaline eating, and herbs. So if you want to learn more about alkaline living and how you can detox to support your body while it heals, make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell. I post new videos every week. Last week, I posted a video sharing my favorite new tea recipe, and you guessed it, it was how to make ginger tea. This recipe is so quick and easy. It has a prep time of under 5 minutes, so make sure that you check it out after this video. I'll link to it in the description box below. I've been drinking this ginger tea for over 10 days now, and I have been having amazing results, which I am going to share with you right now. So it all started because I started to feel a tickle in my throat, and I just wanted to eliminate that, obliterate that ASAP. Y'all know what's going on in the world, and we didn't have no time for no tickles in nobody's throat. So let me just share what I started to notice as I began drinking this ginger tea. Immediately, I felt better. First of all, the tickle in my throat went away as soon as I started to drink the tea. But aside from that, I started to notice other things happening. It really helped me be extremely regular, and I'm already regular, but it was really helping me to just remove waste from my body in a natural way. So I think it would help a lot with constipation if someone is constipated. Make sure to watch my video on gut health. I'll link it below. It talks about the importance of eliminating constipation and making sure that you're really getting your gut cleansed each day and how important that is to your overall health. But anywho, after taking it a few days, I started to realize that my appetite was very controlled. It's like an appetite suppressant naturally. If you follow my channel, you know that I detox and I eat a diet that's very alkaline and doesn't have a lot of the foods that cause mucus or acid forming in the body, like chips or other things that I used to love. I've eliminated from my diet. Well, drinking this ginger tea takes away all cravings, at least for me. So much so that I had to Google, is ginger tea an appetite suppressant? And sure enough, it came up as it is an appetite suppressant. So it's really good for just keeping your appetite under control, along with getting rid of the tickle in my throat. And I feel like it enhanced my detox. I was coughing up a lot of mucus and draining out of my head and my nose, blowing my nose. And it really helps your detox organs to work well. The GI tract, it also cleanses the kidneys. All these things that we need to really be working so that our bodies can get rid of toxins. Ginger is the go-to, y'all. Ginger is the original MVP, y'all. Going into flu season and it getting colder, this ginger tea is so spicy and it's really soothing. And hey, if you're trying to lose weight, it doesn't hurt because it is also a little bit of an appetite suppressant. I love all these natural methods that God has put here for us in order to help our bodies heal and do what they're supposed to do, which is just they're self-healing machines, but we just need to create the proper environment. Ginger is on Dr. Sebi's recommended food list, which makes it really great to use if you are eating an alkaline diet. Don't forget to watch my ginger tea recipe video. I will link to it in the description box below. And make sure to subscribe for more videos on health and detox and healthy recipes, alkaline recipes, all coming up. If you want to learn more about alkaline living and detox, watch my series Detox Made Easy and my complete Dr. Sebi playlist. Also, make sure to subscribe to my newsletter so that you don't miss the announcement for my upcoming alkaline recipe book and detox transition guide. I've been talking with y'all and listening to what you need, and I'm creating this recipe book and detox transition guide to help those of you looking to transition yourselves and your families into an alkaline lifestyle. To subscribe to the newsletter, all you have to do is go to my website, timothalanae.com, which is linked below, and scroll down and the subscribe prompt will pop up into your email, and voila, you are subscribed. And go and binge watch the previous videos in my All Things Sea Moss series, like how I healed my acne scars with sea moss and how to tell real from fake sea moss and how to make you and your kids some sea moss popsicles. Join my Facebook group, Alkaline Living and Detox, for more meal plan ideas, Q&A, and a community of like-minded individuals. Please do subscribe, like, and share this video if it was helpful for you and you feel like it could help others. I am Timotha Lanae. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, God bless, and I will see you in the next video.